He said, my name is Lyno, Mr. Massey, and I love the trick shots you did on TV. I'm only 10 years old, but I would love for you to teach them to me. Please teach me the butterfly, slam dunk, and showing off shot, just to name a few. The Tom Ross Mancorn rapper shot as a keeper. Don't forget the Chattanooga choo-choo. Pool is a great game to use your hand, but practice is the key to where you stand. Stay away from trouble, keep your spirit free.
4 balls and 1 shot.
That's the best advice you'll get from me. You said, son, if
Another
you want to
4-ball
be professional, it's wise to stay away from violent games and movies that can corrupt the mind. And
The Party
always,
of the
win or
Red
lose,
Sea.
be a good
8
sport,
ball,
don't complain,
side
just
pocket.
Be humble and kind. Pool is a great game to use your hand, but practice is
8
the
ball,
key to
corner
where
pocket.
you stand. Stay away from trouble, keep your spirit free.
5 balls, 1
And
shot.
that's the best advice you'll get from me. They had a fine session, he made shots with ease, though some
8
took more
ball,
than
side
one try.
pocket.
When he missed, he'd smile and say, let me give it another go, please. Persistent
9
as
ball,
ever, never
corner
giving
pocket.
up, no matter how tough they might seem. So patient for his age, never frustrated, sharp as a razor, chasing the dream. Minnesota Fats once said to me, pool's
Which
the
ball
greatest
goes
toy,
first?
but son,
Let me
don't
show
forget
you.
the son. From 8 years old to 80, you'll have fun at the table, but life is more than winning a run. So spend time with your family, honor your school, respect your mother and father
Ooh.
too. This game can be part of a life well lived, but the best advice I'll give is true. Pool is a great game.
I hope more kids like me play pool. It helps you with your mindset and it keeps you relaxed. And it also helps you in math because it has geometry. I hope more kids play pool like me. Let's play together.
And that's the best advice you'll get from me.